Hi, I'm Carmina with the O'Dowd Group, and I'm standing outside my new listing at 9772 Overhill Drive in North Tustin. If you're looking for a rare opportunity to purchase a home in Cowan Heights with plenty of privacy and incredible views to the canyon, this is it. The property offers nearly 2,400 square feet of single living space located at the end of a cul-de-sac on just under an acre lot. The owner purchased this lot from Mr. Cowan himself and custom designed this mid-century modern beauty. I'm super excited to show it to you. Come on in.